Hi, and welcome back to Grade 8 Math. This is Section 4, Lesson 1, and the second video for this lesson. This is also the last video for this unit. This is Ms. Clemens-Brenton, and in this video we will solve problems involving independent events, but when the probability is written as decimals. Making judgment calls to schedule vacations based on the weather, to players and coaches selecting the best strategies for sports games, are examples of daily decisions based on probability. Mathematically, the probability of an event can be described as a number between 0 and 1 that describes the likelihood of an event occurring and can be written as a fraction, decimal, or a percent. Up until now, when determining the probability of an event, we wrote the probability as a fraction. However, those fractions can also be written as decimals. And in this section, we will use the decimal equivalents to calculate the probability of several independent events. Decimal numbers near 0 indicate an unlikely event, while decimals closer to 1 indicate that an event is more likely to occur. Example 1. Ms. Clemens-Brenton is planning to go fishing on the weekend. The forecast is reporting a 20% chance of rain on Saturday and a 75% chance of rain on Sunday. What is the probability that it will rain on both days? So when we use percents to calculate probability, those percents first need to be changed to a decimal. So we write probability of rain Saturday and rain on Sunday. So 20% as a decimal will be 0.20. 75% as a decimal will be 0.75. So the probability of rain on Saturday is 0.2 times the probability of rain on Sunday, which is 0.75. So we multiply those probabilities. So then the probability of getting rain on Saturday and Sunday would be 0.15. So there's a 15% chance of rain on Saturday and Sunday. What is the probability that it will not rain on either day? We write the probability of not rain on Saturday and not rain on Sunday. So if there's a 20% chance of rain on Saturday, that means there's an 80% chance that it won't rain. And if there's a 75% chance of rain on Sunday, then that means there's a 25% chance that it won't rain. So what's the probability it won't rain either day? Well, 80% chance of no rain on Saturday, so that's 0.8 or 0.80, and a 25% chance of no rain on Sunday, so that's 0.25. So decimal 8 times decimal 25, and we get 0.20, or 20% chance that it won't rain either day. Example 2. There are 4 different colored jelly beans in a bag: blue, white, pink, and orange. At random, the probability of picking a blue jelly bean is 2/5. A white jelly bean is 18%, and a pink jelly bean is 0.2. What is the probability of picking an orange jelly bean at random? So we have blue, which is 2/5. 2/5 is the same as 4/10, or 40%. We have white jelly beans, and there's an 18% chance of picking a white jelly bean. And we have pink jelly beans, and there's a 0.2 chance, which is the same as 20%. So if we add these up, 40 and 20 gives us 60 plus 18. So in total there's a 78% chance that you would pick one of those. So the only colored jelly bean that's left is orange. So the probability of picking an orange would be 100 minus 78. So that means we have a 22% chance of picking an orange jelly bean. On a particular day in July, there's a 25% chance of rain in Change Islands, a 65% chance of rain in St. John's, and a 70% chance of rain in Bonavista. What is the probability that it will rain in all 3 places? So the probability of rain in Change Islands, rain in St. John's, and rain in Bonavista, we take the probability of rain in each place and we multiply those probabilities together. So we have 25%, so we say 0.25, times 65%, so that's 0.65, times 70% chance, and that's 0.70. When we multiply those together, we get 0.11375. So remember, decimals to percent, I go 2 places to the right, so it's approximately 11.4% chance that it would rain in all 3 places. What is the probability that it will rain in Change Islands in Bonavista, Vista, but not in St. John's? So we write the probability of rain in Change Islands, rain in Bonavista, Vista, but no rain in St. John's. So using the probabilities above, so rain in Change Islands, there was a 25% chance, so we use that one, so 0.25, times rain in Bonavista, Vista, so there was 70% chance of rain in Bonavista, Vista, so that's 0.70, and it was calling for a 65% chance of rain in St. John's, so that means if there's 65% chance of rain, then there's a 35% chance that it won't rain. So I'm going to say, okay, times 0.35. So we multiply those 3 probabilities together. So 0.25 times 0.70 times 0.35. And I get 0.06125. So again, to change our decimal to a percent, we move 2 places to the right. So it's approximately 6.1% chance that it will rain in Change Islands, rain in Bonavista, Vista, but that it won't rain in St. John's. Please complete the remaining activities for this unit.